literally picked this spot because I was like, this is the most quiet spot I could possibly pick. And since I sat down, I realized there's construction down the road. The wind has really picked up. It's created a little bit of a wind tunnel here, which is just crazy because I was sitting here for a good hour and a half, like 20 minutes ago. Not a peep, just silent. That's why I came back here. Okay, well, something's kicking up here. Guess what? I'm gonna start reading. Mind of the Raven, my bird. And look, guess what the first chapter is called? Becoming a Raven Father. Look at this fucking little beauty. A little beauty queen right here. Oh. In fact, I think there's a little something. Sometimes I like to open up a page, just see what the message is, but I think there's something here. The first prerequisite to studying any animal is to get and to stay close. You must be able to observe the fine details of its behavior for long periods of time without the animal seeing or feeling your presence. Okay, so there's a message here around that. I'm not sure what. I don't even know if you can hear me through the wind right now. I guess we'll find out. Okay. Okay. Well, God, Jesus, Grandma, Buddha, Archangels, get in here. Oh, this card really... Ooh, we're off to unraveling a mystery. We already got the red thread right out of the gate. Okay. Yeah. All ascended masters, all my benevolent ancestors. Collective, who are you working with? Bring him in. Oh, the sword wants to come back out, but behind it we have this sustainer. So we have the thread, the sword, and the sustainer. But I'm really seeing someone actually getting cut off here. Instantly. That's instantly what I saw. Yeah. Someone's getting snipped. Okay. Well, thank goodness we have... Ooh, we're to the blue and the purple. Okay, well, there's some kind of divine something here. Well, it is a sustainer. It's giving mommy daddy energy. Okay. Well, someone's not the sustainer. Like, I feel like we have some kind of lecherous, parasitic, yeah, wormy. No disrespect to worms. Worms are actually quite fabulous. This is the thing, we always say people are real snakes or dogs, worms, but honestly, it really is. It's actually just being disrespectful to those guys because they're actually little cutie patooties. Oh, it's like when humans fall below their own potential. Yeah, it's worse than trying to pretend you're something like a little worm. It's like, okay, hold on. Yeah, that noise is just terrible. Okay, well, you know what? You know I love Kimmy K. Let's see what she has to say about the thread, the sword, and the sustainer. Let's get some keywords here. Okay, old thread. Let's go. Do you hear what I mean? Yeah, and I really just... Something's giving, you know, when something's just stank. That kind of knows. We're just like, yeah. But it's good though, because we've got the sword. It's getting clipped. It's getting cut. We're done. Thread, where are you? No. Am I crazy? Okay, let's start from the top. Yeah, there's something about being like really thorough, going slow, doing it kind of formulaic. I think going back to this raven business, watching any animal. Ooh, is someone watching you? Ooh, who's watching you? Well, but also that grass. Do you hear the grass in amongst that yucky energy? Oh, this is where some of my beautiful grass lives. This is where I run my hands along it. Okay, but where is the thread? Oh, you're right there. Okay, 205. Jesus. Okay, the thread. The path, the vein. Ooh, the vein. My roommate actually designed her own tarot cards. And one of her illustrations was this arm and veins. Okay, there's something here about the vein. The red thread. Oh, it's like a vein. Oh, and someone's vain, as in vanity. Oh, see, Spirit really, guys, if you're new to the channel, like, Spirit and I, it's like playing Pictionary and charades. I feel like we're that couple that either irritates the hell out of you, like, Spirit and I get locked in sometimes, but Spirit really loves to do the double words. Okay, vein and vein. Okay, we got an arm vein. Yeah, and the Thunderbolt, it's also getting veiny. And one holds blood. Okay, you see what I mean though? Here we go. Here, buckle up, buttercups. Here we go. The circuit. Okay. Life is a oh, I thought I was gonna say triangle. But it's a tangle. Okay, wait. Spirit, where are we going? Well, the Trinity, but even like Mother, Maiden, Crone. The sword, the thread, the sustainer. That's 3. Okay, hold on. There's something here about a triangle. Okay, life is a tangle. Is it? So true. So much happens simultaneously and circuitously, leaving us grappling for meaning and direction in a network of distractions. When we connect to the energy of the thread, however, we strike the deepest vein in the body. Our whole being responds to its tug, meaning is pumped through our bloodstream. Our mind and our spirits are lifted. We remember who we are and what we came into this world to do. Though this happens on the most profound level, it could be the simplest incident that activates the thread. A song, an image, a conversation heard in passing. No matter how confusing and multi-layered our modern lives become, if we are connected to the thread, we are free. Being tethered. Okay, hold on. Being tethered to it is the only anchor our heart requires. Recall a moment in your life when you felt fully alive. The thread is waiting for you amid the details of that memory. Guys, are you feeling it with me? I'm here with you, but I'm really feeling it. I'm like, it is a mystery. But when Spirit talks to me like this anyways, I get excited. Like we're really off to something special. You may think you have to find the thread and pull it. Imagine though that it's already tied around you, waiting for you to follow it home. There's something here about the vein. And when I was hearing the vein when it first popped in, it was something like a river runs through it, or like something runs through it, which is blood. But now they're giving me that movie title, A River Runs Through It. We are made up mostly of water. Water is a conductor. And then that kind of goes back to the circle of fists, going back to that whole download, which also just keeps on going and going and going. Oh my God. Again, following the thread, it just like, huh. Okay, sorry guys, I'm feeling it. Okay, the sword. But I am feeling a vain person here. Again, there's been just some, these energies always love to come out, and I'm so bored with it. Like, yeah, cry me a river. Okay, the sword, where are you? Like that sound, I just feel like perfectly and succinctly describes the energy of this vain person. the sword. The knife, the blade, the weapon. To use the sword is to decide. The blade separates one reality from another. The choice is made, and all else falls away. If you find the sword in your grasp, you can no longer hesitate. This weapon requires a clear and decisive mind and a willingness to act. An onlooker may think the sword bearer is hasty and violent, but the most compassionate and responsible gesture is one that is honest, swift, and accurate. Our first encounter with the sword is at birth, when the cord we share with the mother is cut. This moment defines our separation from her and begins our journey. Hey, get over here, you. This moment defines our separation from her and begins our journey. Oh, like, and going home when you follow the thread. Yeah, like, our mothers here are not the original mothers, I can tell you right now. Going home, the vein. Cutting, yeah, the cutting away. Oh yeah, cutting away from the mother. That's the umbilical cord. Oh my God, here we go. Oh yeah, the vein, the river runs through it. It's like blood's thicker than water. Okay, are we cutting out some mothers? I couldn't approve more. Please do. I'm so tired of people wanting to keep giving their shitty parents more love and attention. Like, baby girls, baby boys, you have paid your dues. It's commendable, but if you got some shit smears of a parent, oh, and they can only be what they continue to be, like, let that shit go. It's so frank. Get them out of here. Okay. Yeah, this moment defines our separation from her and begins our journey of becoming ourselves. We must make these cuts again and again if we are to grow. Decisions shape our life, and the sword is an infamous shaper of destiny. Oh, it's really weird right now, guys. I'm getting the most nostalgic feeling. But it's only like, it's when I read. If I'm reading this type of wind, with this type of coolness, I don't know. I'm literally being taken back to like a particular day in my youth. And it's, yeah, it's very uplifting. And it is freeing. Mind you, guys, I've cut out my mom and family members. Like, I don't give a fuck. Like, ugh. Mind you, I did let them back in, but now I've learned that lesson. No. But I can't recommend it enough. What I can tell you is, I remember my sister asked me the second last time I cut old Mama Bear out of the scene. My sister was just like, don't you miss her? And I was like, honestly, this is the best I have felt, because I took the power back. I was like, this relationship does not work for me. You cannot meet even the bare minimum. What you do bring is a whole lot of bullshit, and I don't feel good in your presence. We don't have a relationship. So when I cut that shit off, I was fucking free, you know? Oh, like, why do family holidays with people you do not like? Why spend the money? Why get all stressy? Oh, okay, I just feel like we're coming Mama Bear. Oh, now I understand why we got out this deck. Okay. Let's find out about this. Yeah, this is giving family. Okay. The Two of Cups to the Two of Wands. I'm hearing that George Harrison song, Here Comes the Sun. Oddly enough, I do not love that song, which is so crazy because it is technically beautiful. Like, what a message. Again, inspiration to us all. But I just don't love the melody. But I do love the sun. And I say it's all right. Yeah, you're gonna be all right. See, look, this is about the intertwining. Yeah, real sicko moms. Like, oh god, the devolved mother. Like, geez, talk about enmeshment. Get a life. Ugh, again, go do the work. Just sickening. Yeah, you are gonna get to untangle your own flower. Be your own flower. You're not two flowers, you're one. And see, look, they want you to think it's Siamese twins. It's not. When you get right up in there. Yeah, they're not Siamese. There is separateness in their oneness. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, we got a real enmeshed. Ugh, mom. Just gross. Ew, and she's jealous. Oh, it's giving single white female. Oh, when she wants to try to dress like you. Ew, be sexy like you. Ew, compete with your boys or ladies. Oh, just sickening. I had a date, actually. A date as in a person I was dating. And her mom, unfortunately, was a little bit of that. Ugh. Oh, yeah, okay. Mommy issues. Alright, no problem. I see you. I got you. Okay, but let's go back to this feeling. Why does it only come out when I'm reading? What am I tapping into? Okay, well, oh, you still have to finish the sustainer. Okay. Okay. The peacemaker, the upholder, the preserver. Can you even see me? Ah, yeah, the sun. Here comes the sun. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Yeah, and I say it's alright. The sustainer, the second archetype in the trio, going back to the trio. Okay, there is something here about trio. The triune, the trinity. Okay, so the trio of existence works behind the scenes, tending to the tasks of life. They cultivate gardens, pay bills, keep the meals warm, and the mouths sweetly fed. Oh, this is such mom. Oh, yeah, this is so mama. Yeah, this is big mama energy. The sustainer is at peace in the process of life, knowing there is no start or finish to humble yet meaningful. And my throat, she is going. Yeah, I feel like it's clogged. I feel like I don't have my full timbre. Oh, this because, yeah, your mom disempowered you. Your voice. Yeah. Guys, don't I know it? Ugh. Okay. Where were we? The sustainer is at peace in the process of life, knowing there is no start or finish to humble yet meaningful tasks. They have a natural inclination to nourish others, to archive, to preserve Earth's resources, to consider environmental impact, to see their role in the divine cycle of life. It's common for the sustainer to become overworked, leading to resentment. Their tasks aren't glamorous, and therefore the sustainer rarely receives the credit or attention. Going back to the vanity, though, and I feel like someone's watching you, but also like someone wants all the attention. Oh, again, a dysregulated infant parent. Oh. And they are lecherous, parasitic, vampiric. Ugh. Yeah, the attention. The sustainer longs to hold things in place so badly, especially relationships, that they resist necessary change. Take time with this archetype. It is within us all and needs our love. Yeah, oh boy. Take note of the difference between maintaining and sustaining. Oh, brilliant. I love this. Kimmy K, just love you. Which action describes your life more accurately? Yeah, where are you at right now? Are you maintaining or are you sustaining? Contemplate what truly sustains you. Make a list. Notice how simple yet powerful those things are, and spend some time tending them. You know what sustains me? This goddamn grass. Not gonna lie. Nature. I'm always feeling the shit out of the grass. I've got this one tree over there. It sustains me. These clouds, that sustains me. Laughing sustains me. Oh, music, don't even get me started. Sustains me. Even those fucking ice cream sandwiches. Oh, sustains me. Yeah, that wind rustle. Yeah. This cool breeze with these type of clouds with that type of wind rustle. Tell me that's not heaven on earth. Okay. Oh God, guys, we're really in the moment. Yeah, but you know what's so interesting? It's like weird. It's like tapping into this terrible, yucky energy of this parent. And maybe this is like tapping into your, like, me tapping into your kid self. But there's just something like, I don't know, the childlike joy, childlike wonder, curiosity, playfulness, ease. Like, I'm just sitting here being happy, you know? It's not that complicated. Reading a book. Eating an ice cream sandwich. Oh my God. May that pleasure never leave my mind, body, and spirit. Like, if amnesia, or not amnesia, if dementia ever takes ice cream away from me, I'm gonna be fucking so pissed. Take away the rest of the memories, but, like, do not take away my memory of my love of ice cream. I think it's ingrained. Well, someone's crying. Oh, yeah, the vain person. Uh-oh, boo-hoo, someone, emergency 911. Yep, this vein, the mother. Oh, they're having a real salty cry about it. But, is there someone else here? Let's find out. Okay. Who's wailing? Who is just crying right now? Big salty tears. Oh, 8 of Cups to the 4 of Wands. Someone you walked away from. It could be this mother. Or a family member of some kind. It could also be love. This could be someone you used to be married to. Okay. Why are they crying? Yeah, like, what are they getting so hysterical about? Oh, because you're the Empress. And also, Empresses receive everything. Delish. Oh, yeah. Yeah, beep, beep. Oh, but look at this little baby. Going back to the mother. There's a new mother in town. Oh, there's a new mother in town. Well, hot dog. Okay. Well, oh, the new mother. Oh, you know how those moms of sons get so weird when they get married to, like, their truest love? Do we have a bit of that going on? Oh, just sickening, right? Ugh. But also, yeah, with the new baby. Oh, this, yeah, whoever this mother, grandmother now. Okay. Yeah, you have a parent who's in competition with you, and maybe someone you're with. Oh. Oh, yeah, they're really boo-hooing. Ooh, a King of Swords. Someone is so salty. Someone is not only so salty with tears, like, just cascading waterfalls. Think Tammy, what's her nuts? Remember in the 80s, the religious lady with all the eyeliner? Tammy? Goddamn, why am I... Yeah, also, Spirit, why can't I remember names? Like, this is ridiculous. I'll remember everyone's birthday, but names. Anyway, we know. Tammy, drippy eyes. Oh my God, yeah, eyeshadow like that, exactly. And then just picture tears, so it gets real drippy. Okay, so we got a King of Swords coming towards this Empress. Okay. Yes. And then what? Well, collective, I'm gonna say you're the Empress here. I mean, stick yourself. Oh, yeah. golden. Yeah, the word golden keeps coming up. I think one of you said in the comments golden too. Yeah, it was golden. Yeah, golden. Sun. Oh, cute. Oh my god, I've never noticed. Look, in her hair is the little kingdom. Oh my god, that's that King of Pentacles. Oh, they take their little kingdom with them. Oh my god, that is so cute. Oh wait, is this the mother? Oh, they take their kingdom with them? Oh, they take their babies? Oh yeah, they're real possessive. Oh, seeing all the strings? Yeah. Ugh. Guys, who are you dealing with? Cut her out, yeah. Oh. Okay. Okay, well, we'll put Mama over there. Okay, Spirit, Grandma, I'm not interested in this mother energy. Let's talk about the Empress to this King of Swords. Yeah, I'd rather talk about that. Oh, look, now see, now we're back to the Two of Cups, but in the real lovey way. Oh, see? Yeah, because you have to, the enmeshment, you got to untangle yourself from yeah, again, the tangles. Oh, yeah, see, just what looks like happy home lights? No, it's enmeshment. Just taking you everywhere. Oh, you're a grown human being. I just see them trying to copy you. Oh, it's embarrassing. Oh, just sickening. Okay. Okay. Well, you're about to meet someone, or you've met someone who's a King of Swords. That could be a Libra, that could be a Gemini, such as myself, Aquarius. Ooh, Libra coming out strong. Look at this. Going back to golden. Oh, yeah. Yeah. Okay, well, so you're the Empress. Okay, once we take your eyes off of Mama, Big Mama there, how do you feel about this King of Swords? What's going on in your veins? Do they make a pitter-patter? Oh my god, straight to the goddamn lovers. You know I love to see it. You know I love to see it. And it's Birdman. Oh my god. Oh, Seven of Wands. Look, someone's busting out of a rusty cage going back to Soundgarden. Oh, but look. Yeah, it is Birdman. It is a Gemini. Oh, it could very well be a Gemini. Look at this. Gemini to Libra. Well, person I live with currently is a Libra. I'm back to having roommates, folks. But you know what? I couldn't be more lucky. A delightful Libra, witchy as hell. That's how we found the crow cards. Anyway. Yeah. See, Libra, this is when I do love you. I actually do love being roommates with Libras. We cohabitate very well. It's very nice. Not gonna lie, folks, it's very strange to have roommates again. I've been alone for a very long time. But sometimes it's just like a play where you're just like, enter stage left. Here we go, new Libra. Ooh, the Emperor, golden. Well, I think this is gonna make up for, well, the mother. Okay, well, Spirit Team, you brought up the mother for a reason. Okay, so we know you need to cut it off. Get him out of here. Get emancipated. Yeah, tell him the goddamn truth. Oh, like I have told my own mother. Also, what I'm thankful for, but being a Gemini, oh yeah, we're all gonna know how I feel and think about you. Never hold back. And I don't. People always go, man, don't you regret some of the things that you say? No, I don't. Because it's like, it's on the foundation of truth. There's nothing in there where I'm just like, no. There's nothing I've said to my mother that I would not say again, and not say it even more loudly. Oh, like the audacity of some people. But I also think about things. Like I pick my words. And if you don't like it, well, it's usually because you fucked up and probably did something really fucking terrible and you just don't like hearing the truth. Not my fucking problem. Oh yeah, let the mother know. Oof, let the mother know how you feel. Yeah, who cares? Yeah, they're gonna get fucking salty and cry. Cry me a fucking river. Cry me a fucking river. Oh, don't get me started on fucking devolved fucking mother energy. Ugh, they can suck on a rock. Yeah, go cry me a fucking river. Okay. 8 of Cups, walk away. Walk away. 100%. These are not your people. Cut that thread. Just because they're family does not make them family. There's a reason why people have chosen family. You know? You will be all the happier for it. The only thing that I regret is not developing boundaries and advocating for myself sooner in my life so that I would have seen these people for who and what they truly were sooner. I would have saved myself a lot of time and hurt and betrayal had I just had the courage and the confidence to confront people about their shitty behavior and to be like, you know what, that doesn't work for me. And then when you get to see the reaction, it's never a response, it's always a reaction. Then you get to see their true colors and you go, oh wow, wow. Okay. Well, is there anything else you want to talk about this love? Old love. It's big time. This King of Cups. It's intense. This is like my Scorpio King of Cups. You know what I mean? But, ooh, the black octopus. Highly intelligent, very sexy. That's a sexy black octopus. Yeah, it's giving Scorpio. So just very intense, big feelings. Oh my goodness, look at this. Big feelings with a generous Leo. Well, that's how they do love. But we're seeing, oh, back to that Libra. Well, when you're dealing with a dysregulated parent, nothing is fair about that, because it also indicates that you've been doing it since the wee ages of when you can remember. So a lot of things have been very unfair. That type of behavior continuously is really unfair to all who have to encounter it, you know? It affects more than just one person. So I feel that when this delicious human being comes in, yeah, I don't know. It doesn't even feel like putting something in the scales. It feels like when cats and little dogs get into their little cat dogs in beds and they kind of just hunker down and get cozy. I feel like the scales get balanced by this cozying of energy. Or it's just easy. Yeah, because when you're dealing with dysregulated humans, again, you're always confused, you're always internalizing all the bullshit that they're fucking putting on your fucking dish. It's just very dysregulating, destabilizing. So when you're finally with someone who's like fucking half decent, you know, who's doing the work, is not pulling mind fuckery every goddamn second of the day, it's like really relaxing. It's heaven on earth. Again, simple pleasures. Wind in the grass. See, it got quiet. Yeah, it got a little bit more peaceful. Yeah, this person brings peace and balance. But peace can also be like hella joy. You know what I mean? Like laughing your ass off from the guts. That's peaceful. Well, I'm just keeping the readings a little bit more simple these days. This did go a little bit longer, but what I can tell you is there's no doubt in my mind you have 99.9% positive it's a mother. It's your mother or could even be your child's mother, but I think this is your mother. And maybe you have both going on. But no, this is giving mommy issues. This is giving the mother. Cut them out. Oh, it's so clear. It's so clear. Do yourself a favor. Because also this person can't come in when you're enmeshed in that energy. That kind of energetic, parasitic energy, it's just like nothing can grow and thrive. It's very aggressive. Ugh. Okay. Well, hugs and kisses out there. You got a true, beautiful love coming in. And you're gonna feel so good when you cut out this person. Okay. Stay blessed, stay golden.